Hey guys, it's Gloria. Welcome back to Tinker Wonderland. So I am just going to share with you my fall decor for this year 2025, and this is just the only area, or some other areas too, that I put my decorations for fall. And here we go. Let me start with these pictures. As you can see, this is the pictures of my babies. I have Tinker on top and Drake here on the bottom, the black little cat there. They are my babies. So in this area, I just put some leaves on top of this frame. As you can see, how beautiful is that? And some pumpkin, a mini pumpkin. So here is Drake. And on this side, this is my hack. I can just call it hack. This is an earring organizer. It's like a trees, but it's an earrings organizer that I turn into trees decor, tree decor, and I painted it in brown. It was in gold color, but now I turn it into brown, and then it's like a fall color though. And then I put that orange light, a fall light from Dollar Tree. And then on the bottom, on the base of it, I just add some Spanish moss. I believe that is Spanish moss. I'm not sure what kind of moss is that, but yeah, that is a moss. I put moss on it, and then some pumpkin and leaves right there. Apologize for the noise because that is my AC. Alright, let's pan into a little bit to the left. I have that small pumpkin right there. I don't mind if you can see that battery box there. That is for the box for this tree, or the my angels right here. I also have the battery boxes there on at the back for my tree. But right here on the left, I have all these beautiful angels, my angels that I adopted from the thrift store. And it says there, I love you, which is, like I said from my previous video with my DIY and hacks video for fall decoration, this is originally in blue color, the I love you, but I just changed the color into yellow, red, and orange. And then the base I also make it like a brown. I painted it in brown so it will match for the fall decor. That's how it looks. And then I just add this acorn light that is also from Dollar Tree. Then I have my reed diffuser here. This one doesn't have these leaves. I just put the window cling on it, so it will match into my fall decor. And then I have this beautiful glass here. This one I got from Dollar Tree. Of course, most of these items here is from thrift store or Dollar Tree. Alright, so yeah, I got that one from Dollar Tree, and then I just put string lights inside of it so it will look nice. On the bottom right here, I have this decor. I got this decor long time ago at Walmart, and I only put a little bit of leaves and the acorn on top of it, so it will again complement the full decor. Alright, so here we go on my tier tray. There's a lot of things happening here. I still have my fountain here. I love what you call that? moving water. So I add this fountain. I have two of this. One is on the other side, and oh, there is a lot of insect there. I didn't realize that. Alright, so yeah, I have that fountain. I have my koi fish there, which you know I love koi fish, so I have to include koi fish. I have my orange tree the brush tree from Dollar Tree, and that light is from thrift store. So I just put light on that tree, and I have a Halloween tree now. I still have my angel here. This is the weather angel. I don't want to remove that there, so I just leave it there. Of course, I have my koi fish here. This is an incense burner, and it's a backflow incense burner. And still, I don't want to remove that there, so I just leave it there, including with my fish here and this fish too. But I added this pumpkin and this Paul sign. It says Happy Paul. I got this one long time ago at Dollar General for $1. So beautiful for me. All right, I still have my sunflower here with the robin and a little bee, but on the bottom of it I added all these beautiful fruits here. It's from thrift store, but I thought it will also complement with the fall decor, so I just add that up. And then on the second row of my trio cheer tray, I have the mini house there from thrift store. And then I got this cute squirrel from Dollar Tree, and this beautiful scarecrow here is from thrift store. Look how cute is that. I'm so lucky to find him. And then I add a mini pumpkin, and this candle holder or tea light holder. It comes in 4 sets, and I also got it from the thrift store for only $1. So it's 25 cents each, and beautiful. It comes in a red, green, orange, and clear color. But yeah, I just include that there, and I add a tea light from Dollar Tree, a mini pumpkin from thrift store. I got this beautiful grateful decor, desk decor. It's in red color. It looks like orange here on my cam, but it's red. And I got this from Dollar Tree for $1.50 just recently. All right, this beautiful scarecrow here. I got this from the thrift store, but at the back, on the bottom of it, or the back, I think, at the back of it, it says DD's. We don't have DD's here in our place, but I don't know where it came from. Where is DD's? So, but yeah, I got that from the thrift store. This peach here is also from the thrift store, and this I forgot what you call this, and I got that from I got him from the thrift store. The one at the back, it's a squirrel cup. It's a Joanna Parker's cup from the thrift store. The I love you fall most of all sign is from a friend. It's a friend mail. It's a friend mail, so I just include it there. And then this beautiful scarecrow here is also from the thrift store. So actually all of these are cheap items that I got from the thrift store and Dollar Tree, but I make it work. All right, on the very bottom I have that beautiful pumpkin right there, the stock pumpkin that I got from Dollar General long time ago, and I just recently used it for my decor. This one, the peach, is from thrift store, and including this beautiful leaf holder here. I also, there you go, I added that the candle holder. Like I said, this one is orange, that one is yellow, and the other one is red, and the other one over there, I don't know where I put it, is the other one is green. So yeah, It's all from the thrift store. This one is also from thrift store, and this I just add tea light from Dollar Tree. There's another bottle that I got from Dollar Tree for $1.25 a long time ago. Oh no, it's only $1 long time ago. And then I add the tea string light inside of it, so it's gonna be yellow, bright yellow. So all right here, oh, here you go, that's how it looks. All right, and right here in the middle I just put this bow on top of it. And then here is my DIY fall decor that I uploaded recently. I have a video of this that I uploaded recently. All those things that's in there is from Dollar Tree. Oh no, from thrift store. And then the bottom is only the case from battery case, or the light, my string light case. And since it's clear, I add some leaves on it. I add some leaves inside, and then I put up this, my DIY my DIY fall decor. This is only this is an acrylic one, and then I add the window clings, and just add all those. If you guys want to see how I made this, just watch my easy DIY fall decor video that I uploaded I think, yes, last week. Yes, I just uploaded last week. All right here I still have my cat, my blue cat there. I put the apple on top of him because I don't know where to put the apple anymore. And then I have my orange sunflower on the sides, and that sign I have right there, the thankful, grateful, blessed sign at the back of it. There you go. That's how it looks on the bottom. That's how it looks on the second row. And that is the top row. All in all, that's how it looks on the whole tier tray that I made. Okay, on this side I have this oil diffuser. We have the like a smoke there. Hubby bought that for me, and originally that's supposed to be in a cauldron, but since it's not the Halloween, so I just add that. I transfer it into this beautiful jar. This is a jar that I also got from the thrift store for 25 cents. It's a mason jar. It's made of a ceramic mason jar. And then I just add my Hello Autumn window clings all the way. There's leaves right there, and leaves on the other side. And then I just put it on top of this beautiful placemat from the thrift store. So I make it work, guys. So it looks like since it's smoking right there, it looks like I'm cooking something there. So yeah, I got that. Now we move here on my TV. This is my desk right there. Look at my TV, the table for my TV. I didn't remove my cat over there, but I add this I forgot what kind of animal is this. Hedgehog. There you go. I add this hedgehog with a pumpkin on it. I got him from Dollar Tree for $1.50. So I just got him recently. And then I have this book stack. I got this one from Dollar General a long time ago, and I repainted it with the orange, red, and yellow. And I put the autumn skies, pumpkin spice, and good vibes right there. And that's how it looks on the side. this little cat here, a pumpkin cat. Super cute. I love him. He is from thrift store. He is from thrift store. I got him from thrift store for only 25 cents long time ago, guys. So I included him right there. And then this ugly, or not ugly, this sad scarecrow is also from thrift store. I got him for 50 cents at the thrift store. Beautiful. It's made of ceramic and it's in very nice condition. So I got him at the thrift store. So there you go, the whole look for my tabletop decor. And I'm just happy with that. And that's it. Let's move here in my kitchen. Right here on top of my exhaust fan, I just add my another one of my DIY project that I also made and uploaded a video last week. So I just add that to complement my decor here, and also in season, it's for fall season. So that's how it looks right there on top. Over here on my sink by the window, I just add this stuck pumpkin that says be blessed, be thankful. And then I also have my solar hedgehog decor there. I got it from Dollar Tree for a long time ago for $1. This be blessed and be thankful stuck pumpkin is from Dollar General long time ago again for $1. And I just got this Hello Fall with a turkey recently for $1.50 at Dollar Tree. So there you go. And that's it, guys. That is all my fall decor for this year 2025. It's so simple, but I'm happy with it. That's what matters, right? Let me turn off the light so you can see how it looks without my camera light on. There you go. That's how they look with the lights off on my cam. And here is the kitchen area without the lights. And here is my window. And that's all for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Please consider to click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell button so you won't guys miss any of our video. And that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and a good night. God bless everyone. See you next time.